He mad you got rich, but all I know you should've watched him. Guess you're not head first into the livest object. Don't watch your man, now you about to die quick. Over some fly shit, you feel reminded of your fast life, ventures and winters. Blinded to the flashlight, yo. I got the funky style with a funky swag. I got a funky style with a funky swag. I bought the funky Nikes, got the hat to match. I bought the funky Nikes, got the hat to match. I got a funky style with a funky swag. I got a funky style with a funky swag. And when I kill 'em with the flow, ain't no coming back. And when I kill 'em with the flow, ain't no coming back. Back. I be stretching the cash, I'm a little passive aggressive. Stretch when I'm mad. Let me compress it, rappers stressing me bad. Copying me less than impressive, rappers left in my past. Better yet, we won't left in the past. I'm a five, got my pride, but left in the bag. Who am I? I'm a titan for being spec in the class. So I'm leaving on, catching you think I'm catching the cab. No question is the answer, look in the ass, look at that. Breaking man, I keep cooking meth in the lab. Still a lethal weapon, but try blessing with math. Rappers never learning lessons, so I ain't letting them pass. I ain't letting them brag, I ain't letting them swag. Swag, just being blunt, but I'm plugging my ass. I ain't up in my class in the building, it's ASAP math. Quick to kill him, that's an ASAP. Yeah, I got a funky style with a funky swag. I got a funky style with a funky swag. I bought the funky Nikes, got the hat to match. I bought the funky Nikes, got the hat to match. I got a funky style with a funky swag. I got a funky style with a funky swag. And when I kill 'em with the flow, ain't no coming back. And when I kill 'em with the flow, ain't no coming back. Shut up the back, dog, I'm Shaq Strong, I'm breaking back balls straight to Tommy. A bitch beside the young god body, I play the back of clubs with the five youngers and riding fools to ride. And let it down my gun beside me, help 'em out.
The beginning of a heat ride, money to the treetops, big senoritas, want me to sign the key ties. A young hood nigga born and raised with a street tie. Right before your wristwatch, watch me put your blue shot. Status what we need not, my niggas broke with heat ties. And I don't need it yet, cause my raps get your bitch out. Make your ladies knees not, touching all her sweet spots. Had a brown, wide open like a pizza. Hey, vida, been a key like my primo. Counting up these C-notes, sorry, Nevi B-notes. Do your niggas hit though, watch me as I kick flows. Yes, I sing and rap, now get your bitch up on my new growth. Like putting Vic Bulls on your mother's Christmas gift list. From the land of lost boys and misfits. Not living on your shit sticks. And I see all these chickens and they only want some liquid. Seed and I can live with. Feeding them this mess with. Breathe, baby, you messing with me. Maggie, you just me. You was too deep to get up on this guest list. I push you on this next shit. What? I push you on this next shit. Most of these niggas out here frontin' like they war bucks, but really offering anything to get a slow buck. Fuck all this talking. When I was young, I was J-Tuck. Trucking anything in my way to get me a tour bus. Aw shucks, this young nigga can spit sick. Now my neck is covered in your girl's lipstick. The shit is why you wanting all her kisses. She's kissing on my dick. Dutch sauce. Chicken wings, you might not get it cause it's a New York thing. Your beef and broccoli's too sloppy. You see my masterminds and wanna copy, so copy that. Everybody wanna be Mac.